So, how much does it cost to make a video? That is the question we'll answer in this video.
Hi there, this is...
Hey, it's Lou Bortone with LouBortone.com, and I want to answer the age-old mysterious question of how much does it cost to create a video? Now, this is a question that we get often, but it is not an easy one to answer. And what prompted this video was I'm reading a book called They Ask, You Answer by Marcus Sheridan. And one of the things he points out in the book is that very few companies put their pricing on their website, and the same can be said for video companies and video marketing companies. Now, I've been doing video marketing for, 12, 15 years, and it's a question we get a lot, but it's not an easy one to answer because, like most questions, the answer to how much does a video cost is it depends. And it really depends on the type of video you want. Now, I can crank out a logo animation or a logo reveal like these for under $100. I'll show you a couple of these so you can check it out. Fairly easy to create and very inexpensive. Now, if you want a sizzle reel or a speaker reel or something that's obviously going to be a lot more work and take a lot more time, obviously that's going to cost more. That may be as much as $2,000 or $2,500. The old rule used to be, you can usually budget $1,000 a minute for video. That's not really the case anymore, just because of the way video has evolved and the way editing has evolved. But again, you can create some really great videos pretty inexpensively when you work with me, because I've got this process down. I've been editing for a very long time. I can crank out logo reveals, sizzle videos, speaker reels, product videos, sales videos. Now, if it's a video where you're on camera like this and you're just sending me the footage, that's also pretty reasonable because you're shooting the footage, and as long as the footage is decent, I can add bells and whistles like graphics and music and lower thirds, and all that stuff is relatively easy to do in editing. So the best thing to do is, if you're wondering how much does a video cost, is to let me know what kind of video you want to create, and I will give you a really accurate estimate once I know the scope of that video. So again, there's so many ways to slice and dice video. You can do photo montages that don't involve you on camera at all. You can do animation, you can do sketch stuff. Any of that stuff can be done, and it can be done fairly easily and fairly quickly, as long as you know what the goal is and what you want. So there it is, folks. You can create a video from $100 to $3,000 depending on what you need. Rarely will it go over that, even for speaker reels and really involved things. Again, we can usually bang those out pretty efficiently. If you have any questions, shoot me an email or visit LouBortone.com. Bye for now.